Even though it has been a few years since Hurricane Irma made landfall on September 10th in 2017, much damage still exists from the Category 3 storm that hit Marco Island. Seacoast Building and Design was asked to provide a quote for the condos on stilts in the Coon Pass Fishing Village subdivision in Goodland, Florida. Constructed in 1983, the 13 units in the complex are tucked in a historic fishing community amidst the wild paradise of beautiful waterways. The Condo Association wanted to replace the hurricane-damaged siding with a material that would resist damage from fire, water, weather, pests, and aging. Seacoast Building and Design suggested enhancing this look by using staggered edge shingles as an accent on the gables, along with Hardie Board and Batten sidings. Crafted from high-quality materials, Hardie Board and Batten siding provides exceptional durability. Based on our experience with cement board siding, it's crucial to ensure that all cut edges are properly primed and painted. This step is vital for sealing any exposed pores and preventing potential moisture intrusion. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a homeowner looking to embark on a new project, Seacoast's experience with installing board and batten siding and its use is essential for achieving the desired look. Seacoast professionals deliver top-tier workmanship, whether it's a new siding installation, repair, or maintenance. We understand that every residential and commercial customer has different needs, and we expertly tailor each project to their preferences and budget. Furthermore, we have established multiple suppliers to ensure expedited material delivery, thereby quickly servicing homeowners and businesses during the storm season. If your Southwest Florida home, business, or condominium requires siding repair or replacement, you now have a reliable resource to turn to with confidence.